is just to plan ahead. Here with your Sunday prep is Julie Miguel. This is such a good rule of thumb. If you get it done on Sunday, go through all the hard work, you will have meals for the week. Now, most of us, I'm boring, so
You're not boring.
I'm boring with my food. I can eat the same thing over and over again. You, not so much.
No, so the way I do meal prep is I take that time on a Sunday, so it takes about an hour and a half, but you're getting 4 really good meals out of it.
Okay, and they're not necessarily, you're not doing leftovers every day.
No, I do not like eating leftovers every day, so that's why I try and do this, so that I'm eating something different, something the kids like, and everyone's happy.
Okay, good. Yeah. So give us the tips. Let's talk tips.
Okay, so first thing that we do, and you're gonna start your meal prep here, is you're gonna marinate your chicken because it takes about 30 minutes. So, I add it to a jar because it's just easier that you can like shake it up and make sure it's done properly. So that's some olive oil.
Yeah.
Soy sauce.
Nice.
And then we've got the garlic.
And do you do a little bit of sweet, a little bit?
Yes. So this one is really good because it's. I'm just gonna smack that. It's really good because it's got a little bit of zing from the lime, and then it's got the umami flavor from the soy.
Yes.
And you just want to just cut the
garlic
in half because you want the flavor to be released, but you don't want it to get stuck to the chicken because then it burns on there. So you don't want that to happen.
Okay, so you're not looking for little thin slices.
No, do not mince it.
Just keep it chunky.
Because then it's gonna be hard after when you're when you're doing that. Okay.
Brown sugar.
Yep.
Which looks good and gives it a little bit of sweetness, and then you got the lime.
Yep. Lime.
Because you need a little bit of acid in there.
Yeah. So I'm just showing. I'm not going to show every marinade I do. I just want to show you guys how I do this one.
Okay. And are we eventually going to be doing it as that chicken thigh?
Yes. Okay, so that's another thing. I'm just going to go over here and get this.
Yeah.
So I do chicken thigh because of the flavor.
Yeah.
Obviously, it's just so much more flavorful. That's like my tip because especially chicken breasts tend to be a little bit drier, and then also when you're reheating it, it's even drier.
For sure. And let's talk a little bit about the price.
Yeah.
You're going to get the thighs on special.
Exactly.
Right? You're going to get a 12-pack of thighs versus the breast.
And I've done the recipe so that you just need 2 pounds, and 2 pounds is enough that you can use it in for a few meals. So it's enough.
Totally.
Yeah. So there's the marinade, and then here's my chicken.
So you do the Ziploc or the whatever kind of freezer bag you have, which is what we do as well.
You're gonna leave it in there for half an hour.
Yeah.
Let's do this real quick.
Or overnight if you're me.
Yeah. Well, yeah.
If you got the time, I know we're doing Sunday. And
but you know what?
The week ahead.
That's the thing. That's the misconception. People think that you can just leave it in the marinade and we're good to go. But the thing is, it starts to cook.
Yeah.
And technically, you're only supposed to marinate for maximum like 6 hours.
Oh my God! Tell any West Indian person out there.
They don't care. So, anyways, that's it.
We're marinating for a week.
So leave that for half an hour while you go and do the rest of your stuff.
Yeah.
Then at the end, you're gonna grill.
Okay.
Right.
That looks great.
And then you're gonna just let it cool a little bit, and then just store it in the container. And this is another tip: like get a lot of these containers where they stack. That's like really important, right? Because then space in your fridge.
That's right.
Yeah. So that's what we do here.
Put all those away. You got a major flavor bombs for the rest of the week.
Yes.
And you've got your chicken with lots of good for you, lots of flavor, good price.
Exactly.
Okay, so good.
Next tip is the salad dressing.
Yes.
So salad dressing, this is a big batch. It's 16 servings.
Yeah.
So this is just like a simple lemon Mediterranean type dressing. So I've got olive oil.
Now, what's good about the dressing is that I think you can go right ahead and mix
garlic
together.
and oregano and salt.
I think we all we look at salads and we're sort of like, they can get a little boring.
Right.
But it's about the vinaigrette.
Right. Exactly.
That's
because
it
takes time, right? So the reason I love this one is because it's going to be used on a regular salad for the week. It's going to be used on a chickpea salad.
Oh, nice.
And it's going to be used on your green beans.
Oh,
and it's good for all of those items. So you literally.
What was the red?
That was red wine vinegar.
And what was this?
That was lemon. And then I got some Dijon mustard, which is also my secret ingredient because it just adds so much flavor.
Beautiful.
So then you shake this up, and you can keep it in your fridge. But honestly, like if you just keep it on your counter, and then whenever you need it, you use it. Yeah, so it's great to have. And then I just have like some tips here. Is like to store your salads.
Yes.
Wash, prep.
Yeah.
And then you literally put a wet paper towel. So you wet the paper towel, you wring it out.
Yep.
and then you just put it on top. So it keeps it hydrated for the week.
That keeps it so that it doesn't dehydrate.
And same with my green beans. I just cut them and prep them the night before.
Yeah.
I need them, and then put them with the wet paper towel so they stay hydrated.
Okay, interesting, because a lot of us, we wash them and then we put them away, and then it's like we don't know how to...
Then they'll dry out.
They just
by
dry
the end of the week,
out.
yeah.
So that's very smart.
And then I've got boiled eggs. These are going to be for the Cobb salad, and bacon. My tip is to do it on a baking sheet in the oven. Yeah, because then that's super quick.
Makes the house smell good too.
Exactly. Okay, so
now we have a recipe.
Bolognese. So this is my last meal prep item, and it's a quick sausage bolognese. So I've got garlic, onion, and red pepper here.
Yes.
And then I've uncased 5 sausages.
Okay.
So this is quick. Sausage meat is like my little tip too, because it has so much flavor already.
Yeah.
So you don't have to like build the flavor. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Like it's already got all this flavor in there. So that's already great. And so you just kind of cook the sausage meat. It takes about 6 to 8 minutes.
Yeah.
And the night you're ready to make this pasta, this pasta sauce. Sorry, you do this on the Sunday night.
Yes.
And you're adding sauce to it.
Okay. So that's cooking all together with the veggies that you chopped up.
Yeah, and this is on the Sunday night. You're doing this.
This is Sunday night.
Yes.
At the same time, you have this happening.
No. So this gets stored in a jar.
Oh, nice.
You put it in the jar. You seal it up. You put it upside down on your counter and wait till it cools down, and then you put it in your fridge.
Why upside down?
It just gives a nice seal to the.
Oh,
yeah.
Okay.
That's a little trick.
I like that.
So the night you're ready to make it, which is the Monday night for my meal prep,
now
you boil the rapini with your pasta. So you're basically cooking a pasta.
Yeah.
And then you just throw the sauce on top of your pasta.
Okay, I get it.
Yeah.
Okay. So you've done all your meal prep for the week.
Yep.
I know we haven't gone through every recipe for the week.
No, but they're going to be online.
So that's what we're doing. We're putting it all online because we want you to be able to go back and use all those recipes. Do your Sunday just like she does. You'll have fantastic meals all week.
Yes.
So that is at CitylineTV for all of the recipes.
Yeah.
Very good, Julie.
Yeah.
You never have a boring meal all week.
Yeah, exactly. And I hope this helps everyone, because it certainly helps me.
Thank you very much for